Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can convert a PDF to a Word file totally for free and it's really simple, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So what we are going to use is just a browser on this method. What I recommend that you do is just go on ilovepdf.com and your site should now look like this. Once you're here, what you need to do is just click on select PDF file and just select the PDF file on your computer, and you'll get a option just right here in order to convert to Word. It's as easy as clicking on it and then just hit download Word. And as you can see right here, I now have the document as a Word file. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. It's as simple as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.